Hi friends, happy week 2 of e-learning. Today it is day 7 and we are going to look at our growing a flower or growing a bean plant or growing whatever it is that you found at home. So remember, I have my flower and it's now been a week, so I'm going to look at what's happened. So let me see if I can kind of show you. Can you see how my bean is starting to grow? So I'm actually going to pull this out. I'm going to do some plant surgery. Being extra careful. Now some of my seeds, they got kind of yucky, but some of them actually started to grow. So you can see my seeds turned into does anyone know what the next stage in a plant's life cycle is called? It's called a seedling. So now, after about a week, I have my seedling. So what I'm going to do is I got another container. It's a little bit bigger than my jar that I was using. I just went outside and I got some dark looking humus. I made sure it wasn't sandy. I found some darker soil in my yard and I put it in just like an old container. And now I'm going to super duper extra careful. Ooh, oh gosh, this makes me nervous. Ah, my little seeds. I hope that's okay, little seeds. Please don't be mad at me for moving you. I want to give you a better life. Alright, so I put my little seeds in my cup, my little container. I'll give them a little bit of water in a couple of minutes when I'm done with this. But I'm going to write a little description next to day 7 about what my seedling looked like. Mine was pretty small. It looked like it had leaves coming from the seed. Everything grew out and long from the seed. And I would say, while it grew long, it was still maybe no longer than an inch. It was still pretty tiny. And I know an inch, if I'm guesstimating, it's about, if you bend your thumb, it's about from here to here. So that's about an inch. I'd say it was probably about that long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write for my next week under here, day 14. And I'll make a nice little box for it. So in a week, I'm going to see if this grows anymore. Hopefully it's not too mad at me for moving it into a new container. So we shall see. Alright, bye-bye friends.